Hello everyone. I'm very happy to meet you all in another 3-in-1 mini dot mandala making video. Here are the 3 MDF bases and each base is of 4-inch diameter and 2.5 mm thickness. Let's begin with the first one now. I drew a center line and then marked angle at 45, 90 and 135. Let me start dotting now. I'll dot in the center with teal blue. Now I'm going to keep straight swipes in light brown. I'll keep a plumpy dot and then manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag this into a swipe. Now in between these light brown swipes, I'm going to keep a sap green swipe too. Now I'll keep 8 teal blue dots on the lines here. Now I'll keep a smaller sap green dots. Now I'll work the dots in sap green. Now I'll keep light brown dots. Now I'll work the dots with light brown. I'm keeping a plumpy dot and manually drag it to a swipe later. Now I'll drag it to a swipe. Now I'll keep side swipes in teal blue. I'm sure all of you loved this first mini mandala. Let's move on to the next now. This is the second MDF base. I already drew circles and created grids. The angles are 45, 90 and 135. Let me start dotting in the second base now. I'll start with teal blue in the center. I'll keep straight swipes in light brown. Now I'll work the dots in the middle. Now I'll keep dots in sap green. Now I'll keep straight swipe in sap green. I'll keep 2 side swipes in teal blue. Now 2 side swipes in light brown. Now I'll keep smaller dots in teal blue. Now I'll work the dots. I'm sure all of you love the second mini mandala too. Let's move on to the third and the final one. So here is the third base. I already drew 2 circles and marked angles at 45, 90 and 135. Let me start dotting now. I will start with dotting in the center in sap green. Now I will keep 8 smaller sap green dots. Now I will keep smaller light brown dot. Now I will work the dots both the layers in light brown. Now I will keep light brown dots. Now I will keep sap green dots again. Now I will keep 2 teal blue dots. Now I will work the dots with teal blue. I'm sure all of you loved all these 3 mini mandalas, and thank you for watching this video.